Thousands are still trapped in the dark after deadly storms devastated the region. With some families without electricity for over 10 days, a weather emergency has turned into a critical humanitarian struggle. We break down the current outage numbers and the urgent push to restore power. Violent, deadly storms tore through the region, leaving a trail of destruction and knocking out critical infrastructure. The resulting outages plunged thousands of homes and businesses into total darkness. Local utility providers have struggled to manage the scale of the damage, with some residents now reporting they have been without power for over 10 days. As frustration mounts, crews from neighboring states have been deployed to assist in the restoration process. The priority is now a race against time to restore basic services to the thousands still left in the dark. Thousands of residents across northwest Indiana remain without electricity following a series of deadly storms. For some, the blackout has lasted 10 days, leading to mounting frustration and desperate calls for help. Local residents have described the situation as terrible, struggling to preserve food and maintain basic living conditions in the dark. To accelerate recovery, utility providers have requested mutual aid, bringing in crews from neighboring states to assist with the restoration of the power grid. While crews are working around the clock, the sheer scale of the storm damage has left thousands of customers waiting for a return to normalcy. Recovery efforts continue as teams prioritize the most critical infrastructure first. This outage is more than a temporary inconvenience. It is a stark reminder of how vulnerable regional power grids remain to extreme weather. For thousands of residents, being without power for over 10 days means spoiled food, health risks, and total disruption of daily life. While mutual aid from neighboring states is speeding up the process, the slow recovery puts utility companies under intense scrutiny. The immediate focus is restoration, but the long-term story will be about infrastructure failure and accountability. Watch for upcoming regulatory reports and updates on grid hardening projects to see if these systemic failures will be addressed before the next storm hits. Thousands remain in the dark as recovery efforts struggle to keep pace with the damage. Do you think utility companies are doing enough to prepare for these extreme weather events? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe for more urgent updates.